I was gonna get a glass of wine, but I thought, best not. I've had my hair cut before, I know what I'm doing. I haven't researched this, I don't know what I'm doing, and I've got some scissors. Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. I'm gonna be talking a little bit more quietly today because, as you'll see, it is 9:57, it is nearly 10 p.m. here in London, and I've decided it would be the perfect time to cut my hair. I've been thinking about this for a while now because obviously I haven't been able to leave the house and my hairdressers are closed. I would usually go to a curly hair specialist and get my hair cut, but I haven't been able to, obviously. But I thought that I might be able to give myself a little trim. I don't think I'm skilled enough to do like a proper curly cut, but I do think I could do with a little trim just for health and wealth. I've got myself a mug of peppermint tea. I was gonna get a glass of wine, but I thought, best not. I haven't researched this, I don't know what I'm doing, and I've got some scissors, so let's do it. I'm gonna part my hair down the middle that way, twice. So I'll do like one down here, one here, and then have two bunches here, so that will be 2/4, and then have 2/4 going horizontal. And then I'm just gonna like snip bits off the end. I'm gonna have a look, probably play it by ear. Hey, I've had my hair cut before, I know what I'm doing. So I recently uploaded a how I style my curly hair video, which I'll link up there, and I just show like what products I use for my curls, if you're interested. Hi guys, I am back. I'm sorry my camera cut out a bit of the way through that because the battery was exhausted. Even the battery couldn't be bothered to watch me cut my hair anymore. But basically you saw what I did on this side. I basically just repeated the same thing on the other side. I then went through in sections, sprayed it a bit more with the water that I have just to get it damp again, and ran some product through. I used this curl cream which I mentioned in that video about my styling products, and then I also used some of this Mad About the Curls from Schwarzkopf. I can never say it. And then I also used some of this from Lush, which is a really great product. I think it's called Queen Bee. So yeah, my hair's still a little bit damp. I've also been combing it through as I've been cutting, so I've combed out all the curls, so it's a bit more like frizzy, I guess, and less defined. But I just need to do like a condition in the shower and it'll get right back to normal. So yeah, I haven't really taken off a lot of length. I've kind of just been like sporadically just like taking pieces that look a bit frizzy or a bit damaged, and then kind of just going right to the end and just taking off some of the ends. I haven't really tried to give it a shape. I'm gonna wait for my curly haircut after lockdown. This was just more to get rid of the dead ends because I didn't want them to, like, if I had any split ends, I didn't want them to be like getting worse, travelling up the hair. I sometimes get a fringe when I go to the hairdresser. I'm not going to try and give myself a fringe, but I am going to just like shorten these pieces just a little bit in like a kind of step way. I'm hoping that these bits are even still. I think I've done alright. I did actually, like, I'm looking at I like shook off a lot of the hair in my shower that was on the towel. I've got a little bit left here. I didn't really take that much off. Probably about an inch, maybe less sometimes. It's just like addictive. Once you start, you can't stop. I've done the best that I can do. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed. I will see you in my next video. If you did like this video, if you got this far, thank you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see from me in the comments, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.